Today, we're shaking things up a bit. I'm ditching the term side hustles because, let's face it, these opportunities are more than just a hustle. They're side jobs with real potential to pad your pockets and make a difference in your bank account. We're diving into the world of online money-making opportunities, and I've got something special for you. We're talking legit data entry jobs that could have you earning some serious cash from the comfort of your own home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Data entry? Isn't that just mind-numbingly boring? But stick with me, because these gigs actually work and have the power to change your bank balance. So grab a cup of coffee and settle in. First up, we've got Axion Data Services. These guys are like the gold standard in the data entry game. Think of it like being a digital scribe, inputting information with the precision of a surgeon and the zen-like patience of a saint. The best part? You can start making money right away. Axion pays anywhere from 5 to 10 cents for short forms, which can take just 30 seconds to knock out. Longer forms? Well, those can net you between $5 and $9, taking anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. That adds up, right? You could be looking at up to 18 bucks an hour, which ain't too shabby for typing away at your keyboard. But here's the deal. You'll need to invoice Axion every couple of weeks, and then you'll get paid about a month later. Now, before you rush off to sign up, there are a few things you should know that some may consider cons. Axion's not just handing out gigs to anyone with a keyboard. They're looking for folks with experience, a minimum typing speed of 15,000 keystrokes per hour, and you gotta be based in the United States. Another thing that people may see as a con is that there's a small membership fee, around 5 to 10 bucks. Now I get it, nobody likes fees, but this is a very well-established company. Axion's been around the block. They're the real deal. And that fee? It might just give you an edge over the competition. Before we continue, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the money-making ideas on this channel. Next up is another goldmine of online income potential. Say hello to Clickworker. Now, what sets Clickworker apart? Well, for starters, it's fully remote, meaning you can make money from absolutely anywhere at any time. Picture this. You could be sipping on a coconut in Bali or catching rays on a beach in Costa Rica, all while raking in that sweet, sweet cash. Now, when it comes to signing up, it's as easy as pie. Just head to their website, hit up the Clickworker job section, and hit that register button. Complete a few qualification tests, whip up a snazzy profile, and boom, you're in business. But here's where it gets interesting. Clickworker's not just your run-of-the-mill data entry gig anymore. They're diving headfirst into the world of AI, which means there are a ton of AI-related jobs up for grabs. So what are the perks? Flexibility in working hours, the sweet, sweet freedom of working from home, and the potential to earn based on the amount of work you crank out. Plus, you get to sharpen those data management skills while rubbing elbows with the AI and machine learning crowd. Best part? You can be based anywhere in the world, no restrictions. And with a thriving community of fellow Clickworkers, you'll never feel like you're flying solo. Next up on our list of money-making sites is none other than Appen. Now, Appen's not your run-of-the-mill data entry gig. Nope, they're diving headfirst into the AI movement, which means there's a whole heap of AI-related jobs up for grabs. Picture yourself as a digital librarian, organizing data and keeping things running smoothly in the digital realm. Now, when it comes to the money, Appen's estimated to dish out anywhere from 11 to 14 bucks an hour for your typical tasks. Not too shabby for a day's work, right? So what are the perks? Flexibility, my friends. You can kiss that 9-to-5 grind goodbye and hello to the sweet, sweet freedom of working from home. Plus, with PayPal as their payment system, you can rest easy knowing your hard-earned cash is in good hands. But hey, let's keep it real. Data entry gigs can be a bit, well, repetitive. It's the nature of the beast. But if you're cool with that, then Appen might just be your ticket to some extra cash in your pocket. Time to get into something a little bit different. If you're passionate about political research and want to make some extra cash on the side, then listen up, because SigTrack might just be your new best friend. Now, SigTrack's a bit different from your typical data entry gig. Here, You'll be coding voter signatures from petitions into a database and verifying voter registration information. It's all about accuracy and consistency, making sure that database is squeaky clean. SigTrack's payment system is a bit quirky, to say the least. You'll earn around 3.7 cents per signature or 15 cents per registration. But here's the catch. Your pay is based on how accurate your data entry is. Let me break it down for you. If you've got a 99% accuracy rate, you'll get paid at 90% of whatever the job is worth. So for example, if the job pays out $100, you'll pocket 90 of that. Drop down to 98% accuracy, and you're looking at $80. But don't worry, even with the quirks in the payment system, you can still rake in around 15 to 20 bucks an hour, which ain't too shabby for coding signatures, right? Now, fair warning, SigTrack's a bit picky when it comes to hiring, especially since they're focused on the USA market. But hey, if you've got what it takes, this could be your ticket to some extra cash in your pocket. Data entry may not sound glamorous, but these gigs pack a punch when it comes to making money from home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy typing.